Preparing for a yoga exam often involves a massive amount of terminology that is difficult to memorize in isolation. We will focus on a specific framework that organizes these concepts into a predictable sequence. That framework is Ashtanga Yoga, formulated by Maharishi Patanjali. It's the structural foundation for many of the questions you will face on your final paper. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recall all 8 limbs in order and use that knowledge to identify the correct answers on a recent internal examination paper. These 8 limbs provide a path that builds from basic social ethics to deep mental focus. This structure serves as the primary map for both your practice and your exam. This page from the primary text shows the 8 limbs arranged sequentially. Ashtanga literally translates to 8 limbs. The system is divided into 2 major categories. The first 5, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, and pratyahara, are grouped together as Bahir Yoga. Bahirang refers to external practice. These steps focus on your physical body and how you interact with the world around you. The final 3 limbs, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi, move into the mind and are known as antarang yoga. This division is a frequent exam topic. External physical preparation in Bahirang Yoga serves as the prerequisite for the internal mental focus of Antarang Yoga. Students often confuse the first 2 limbs. If we look at paragraph 1, yama is defined as a set of social disciplines, the rules for how you interact with society. There are exactly 5 yamas: ahimsa, satya, asteya, brahmacharya, and aparigraha. The text then transitions to the second limb, niyama. This shifts the focus from society to personal discipline and individual self-purification. Like the yamas, there are 5 niyamas: shauch, santosh, tapa, swadhyaya, and ishwar pranidhan. To keep these distinct for the exam, use this 2-column split. Yama represents social rules on the left, while niyama represents personal habits on the right. Memorizing this specific split is the key to avoiding mistakes on questions that ask you to categorize these 10 different rules. The third limb is asana. The text uses the phrase sthir sukhama asanam to define it as a physical posture that is both steady and comfortable. The fourth limb, pranayama, involves the deliberate regulation of breath. This practice is used to control and increase vital energy within the body. The fifth limb is pratyahara. This is the process of withdrawing your 5 senses from external distractions to turn your focus inward. These 3 physical steps, posture, breath, and sense withdrawal, act as the bridge that prepares the active mind for deeper concentration. After sense withdrawal, the practice moves into antarang yoga, where the focus is entirely internal. The 6th limb is dharana. According to the text, this means fixing the mind onto a single object or point. When that concentration becomes an uninterrupted flow on the object, it reaches the 7th limb, dhyana, or meditation. The 8th and final limb is samadhi. This is a state of complete absorption where the practitioner merges with the object of focus. These 8 limbs form a logical progression from social morality and physical health to ultimate mental stillness. Now let's see how these concepts appear on an actual internal examination paper. Look at question 18. Which yoga did Maharishi Patanjali describe? Our textbook map confirms the answer is option A, Ashtanga Yoga. Next, question 3. According to Ashtanga Yoga, how many types of niyama are mentioned? Recalling our personal discipline column, we know there are exactly 5. The answer is option B. Question 37 lists ahimsa, satya, asteya, brahmacharya, and aparigraha. These are the social rules from step 1, so we identify them as option A, yama. By understanding the core structure of the limbs, you can identify the correct answers quickly without having to guess. You have now reviewed the 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga and applied those principles to identify the correct answers on an actual exam paper. This structured approach to the text will help you organize your notes and prepare for the various types of questions you will see on your final. Good luck with your studies. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more exam-focused guides. You are now ready to tackle questions on Patanjali's 8 limbs. Keep studying methodically.